Hi there. Do you know what a budget is? It's a plan for your money to make sure you have enough for the things you need and want. Today, we're going to learn how to create and stick to a budget. Let's get started. A budget is a plan that helps you decide how to spend your money. It helps you save for big things, like a new phone, and makes sure you don't run out of money for important stuff, like food and clothes. Think of it like a roadmap for your money. It shows you where your money should go. Creating a budget is easy. Here are the steps. 1. List your income. This is the money you get, like allowance or a part-time job. 2. List your expenses. These are the things you spend money on, like snacks, games, or school supplies. 3. Divide your expenses. Separate them into needs, things you must have, and wants, things you'd like to have. 4. Set savings goals. Decide how much you want to save each month for future purchases. 5. Track your spending. Write down what you spend every day to see if you're sticking to your budget. By following these steps, you can create a budget that works for you. Now that you have a budget, here are some tips to stick to it. 1. Be realistic. Make sure your budget matches your real income and expenses. 2. Adjust as needed. If you spend more in one area, try to spend less in another. 3. Use cash. It's easier to control spending when you see the money leaving your hands. 4. Review regularly. Check your budget often to see how you're doing and make changes if needed. 5. Reward yourself. If you stick to your budget, give yourself a small treat. These tips will help you stay on track and make the most of your money. And that's how to create and stick to a budget. With a little planning and discipline, you can manage your money wisely and save for the things you really want. Thanks for learning with us today. See you next time. This video was brought to you by Get It, helping you understand the world of banking one step at a time. Keep being curious about how the world works. And remember, the only people who get it, get it.